Do you miss going down to Blockbuster on a Friday night and choosing which film to watch just by what you can see on the shelves? We've lost this with all the streaming options that we've got, but for a bit of fun, this website exists, BingeBuster.net. It takes all your streaming platforms without any logins. This is totally free, and it arranges them into a storefront that you can browse around like we used to do in Blockbuster. You can walk around the store, pick up films, and take a look. So I'm going to show you a quick demo of this now. Like I said, this is not sponsored. This is totally free. I just want to show you because I think it's really awesome, and I think you have just a bit of fun. So if you go to BingeBuster.net on any browser, this is what you get. I'll refresh it for you so you can see exactly what you get. BingeBuster, bam, this is what you get. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is pick which country you're from. Mine was set to GB, United Kingdom already, so I assume it picks up your local location. So first thing to do is check that it's in your right country and location. Your next one is to choose what you want to show on your shelves. Now, these are your streaming platforms. Click the plus button. There's no login information here. It does not require you to log into anything. So there's no worries about login details or anything. None of that is needed. Choose the platforms you want. So I have Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Paramount. If you just want to see what's, I have Apple. I don't want to see I don't want to see ITV. I just want to see all the main streaming platforms for now. And then you hit restock the shelves, basically. And there we go. And now you can enter BingeBuster. We will give some credit here. Developed by Oliver and Patrick Evans. Bravo to you. Thank you for creating this. It's great fun. Enter BingeBuster. And we're in the store. Simple as that. Now you can browse around. Just left click on the mouse. Browse around your own little Blockbuster based on your streaming services. How just cool is this? So we can do... Let's just pick new releases. Okay. Click on a film. Last Save Point. Never heard of it. It's on Prime. There's a link to it. Watch on Prime Video. It will open up your own login here externally on another tab. That's okay. Find a trailer. And then you get your little synopsis here. So, or you can just click and drag and read it on the back of the case like you used to be able to do. In a scorched post-apocalyptic world, survival is fragile and trust is dangerous. Oh, it's an interesting start. If you don't want it, click off. Keep browsing around. Go wherever you want. Walk around the store. You can go. Oh, what's this one? Cult Classics. Oh, okay. I'm in the Cult Classics section. What's this? Ace Ventura. One of my favourite films. Absolutely classic. It's actually on Prime Video right now. Look at that. When was this? 94. Oh, my God. And this is it. And you can simply just do this around. Just look around the store. What you fancy watching. Oh, a document. Oh, what's this? The foreign film section. Oh, okay. If you think, do you know what? I've seen all these. I've come back. It's the next day now. I'll just hit restock. Bring me some more foreign films. What else have you had in this week? Do you remember going into Blockbuster saying, if you had anything new in, that's the button to do it. A couple of other little features. This is only going to be a short video because I've just got to, this is it. But there's a couple of features I want to show you before you go. Top right, change what you want it to show. Yeah, actually, I do want to see ITVX. Restock. It's added ITVX into the world stuff here. Obviously, it does adjust depending on your country, the platforms that are available to you. That's cool. Top left here, search button if you just want to search for something. Click that, it just brings up the title, director, year, a theme if you want to watch, like let's say a basketball film, type in basketball, etc., etc. Well, we can test it. Let's do basketball as I've just mentioned it. I can't type basketball or any. Oh my God, what has happened here? Any films? No titles, nothing on basketball. Try again next week. You can favorite stuff here, of course. And then this button here, this is the random film picker. This is brilliant. Watch this. You click it once and it walks you around the store, picks a random film out and goes, there you go, Tin Soldier. Go and watch it. Brilliant. Do you know what? I wish you had that in the real Blockbuster rather than just doing this and just pointing to a film. Did you do that? Was that me? Anyway, So you can do that. And that is basically it. You can now, obviously, you can click donate here. If you want to donate and support this just fun project, you can do so. Or if you click on the doors and try and leave the store, it takes you to their Buy Me a Coffee page where you can donate some money to them for doing this. And that's it. That's the whole thing. I'm not going to drag this out any longer because you don't need to. Head to BingeBuster.net. I'll leave a link down below in the description for you if you can't remember that. And there you go. It works on mobile as well. You can do it. Obviously, it's a bit harder on mobile because it's smaller, but you can just totally check it out yourself. Simple as that. That's the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got any other cool websites like this that you think I should check out and that I can share on here. And go and show them some love. BingeBuster.net. How cool is that? Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. See you next time.